As the coin spun in the air, the Royals won the toss, opting to field first. A decision that quickly paid off as the Mumbai Indians lost 3 wickets in quick succession, courtesy of a masterful spell of pace bowling by Trent Boult. His lethal attack took his tally of first over wickets in the IPL to an impressive 25. Tilak Varma and Captain Pandya attempted to steady the floundering Mumbai ship, but their efforts were short-lived. Pandya fell victim to Chahal, mistiming a big hit to long on and bowing out with 34 runs from 21 balls. Varma, who had been leading a solitary battle, chased a ball outside the off-stump from Chahal, only to be caught by Ashwin. Tim David was the only other player to score in double figures, as Mumbai wrapped up their innings with a less-than-stellar 125 for 9. The Rajasthan Royals began their innings with a stumble, losing Jaiswal in the first over to a 17-year-old sensation, Kwena Maphaka. With so little to defend, Pandya strategically used his ace bowler Bumra for half the overs in the power play. However, the Royals duo, Sanju Samson and Buttler, narrowly escaped unscathed until Akash Madhwal claimed both their wickets. Enter Riyan Parag, who brought a sense of calm and confidence to the crease. He steered his side out of the early chaos, finishing with an unbeaten 54 runs from 39 balls. The Royals emerged victorious, winning the match in just 15.5 overs while only losing 4 wickets. In summary, this was a match that had it all: breathtaking bowling, nail-biting batting, and the thrill of the chase. A game that encapsulates the spirit of IPL cricket, where heroes rise, champions are made, and every ball counts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for tuning in to Fire Facts, where we bring you the hottest news in the world of cricket. Until next time, keep the cricket spirit alive.